Yeah, this is Jigboman speaking from Enugu State. I want to use this opportunity to thank all my customers. I want to thank our well-wishers. Also, I want to thank everybody watching Jigboman right now. My people, I know you might be waiting for our post all this while. Relax, we have so many things in store for you. Just that we are trying to put things together. We are going to end of the year and we need to organize ourselves. So the Jigboman has been so busy putting himself together so that we give you the best. And we have Boku products this time or anyhow when you want that, we will give you. But today, we want to talk about our WhatsApp group and the Jigboman Market Day. Okay, my people, remember that Jigboman Market Day is coming up soon, which is 1st of October to 3rd of October. That is how we do it every month. So this upcoming Sunday will be Jigboman Market Day. Kindly prepare your post to prepare your videos and the pictures of what you are selling. Also, do not forget to put the information on how to get you. You can find your customer in Jigboman WhatsApp group. Just let people know what you are selling. Once more people know what you are selling, you will have more sale. Unless you are selling bad products and no fraudulent activities, because we will fish you out. Abstain from anything fraudulent activity in Jigboman WhatsApp group. Remember, Nkanyi, Jigbo life, Abacha Sharp Sharp.